Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a update of my last week within the Amazon Influencer Program. What is the Amazon Influencer Program? For those of you guys that are new, basically if you're an influencer or have any type of social media following, you could apply to join Amazon's Influencer Program to basically produce video reviews or photo reviews that go on product pages. Like you could be looking at, I don't know, say a camera, and then after scrolling through the couple pictures that Amazon has, there could be a section that is for video reviews from Amazon influencers. Now, if somebody watches your Amazon influencer video and actually purchases the product, then you get a small commission for that sale. So that's essentially what I'm doing. At this point, I have just over 200 videos and going to be giving you guys a quick rundown of my numbers for last week. So on Monday, I got about 170 clicks, so 170 views, and Amazon paid me about $49 for that day. Now, just going into that day here, so I sold 28 products, and my top selling commission product got me like $9, which is pretty awesome. And I actually was able to sell a couple of those products, which got me $9. So very happy about that day. Something to keep in mind also is that Amazon doesn't like you sharing images of the back end, so I'll just be showing you guys text of these numbers. So Tuesday, I got 129 clicks. I was able to sell 18 items. I generated a revenue of about $500 for Amazon, and of that $500, Amazon paid me $14 for my commission. So when you sell a product, the commission percentages ranges between like 1% to 5%. Again, I'm totally okay with these percentages because otherwise I'd be making nothing from these videos. So getting paid something is better than getting paid nothing, because essentially I just have my video featured on the product and it's just helping them actually purchase it. Amazon is what's driving all the traffic and having the customers already there. So I'm just benefiting from that relationship. So that was Tuesday, and on Wednesday I was able to get about 180 views and sell 17 items, and I was able to generate about $460 for Amazon, and of that $460 I got paid about $11. So let me click on that one. My top selling product paid me out like $2, almost $3, and I actually had to sell 2 of those products to make that commission. So not the best day there, but that's fine. Okay, so on Thursday, I was able to get again about 180 views and was able to sell 23 items and generated about $960 for Amazon, and of that $960, I got paid out $28. So really good day for me there, and my highest commission item was a little over $5. Okay, on Friday, I got 140 clicks and I sold about 12 items, generated about $880 for Amazon, and of that $880, Amazon paid me out $22. And my best selling product for that day was a couple items, just over $5. So for Saturday, I got 161 views and sold 13 products. Amazon generated about like $500 worth of revenue for Amazon, and Amazon paid me out $13. And finally, Sunday, the last day, got 140 clicks and sold 14 items, generated about $800 for Amazon, and of that 800, I got paid out $28. So very happy with my week for commissions. I made over $160 last week just through the Amazon Influencer Program, and on Sunday I sold like 4 units of a specific product and got paid out like $9 for those 4 products, and sold a really nice item that generated me like 4% commission and got paid me out $9 for that one product. So again, super easy. All you need is like your phone and a couple products that sold on Amazon, and you could start doing this as well. I do believe you only need like a couple hundred followers on like TikTok, Instagram, that type of thing. You could apply daily, it doesn't matter. You just have to keep applying until you eventually get in. And yeah, if you have any questions, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.